Hey there, and welcome to today's video. If you've been feeling stuck in your weight loss journey, constantly trying diets and supplements that give you zero results, then listen up, because what I'm about to share might be the turning point for you. Today, we're diving into Mitolyn, the all-natural formula that's been causing a stir in the wellness world for one simple reason. It works. But not in the way most supplements do. Mitolyn doesn't just mask the problem or help you drop a few temporary pounds. It goes deep, real deep, right into your cells. It activates your mitochondria, those microscopic powerhouses in your body that determine how much fat you burn, how much energy you have, and even how your brain performs. So if you're tired of short-term fixes and ready for something real, make sure you stick with me until the very end of this video. Because what you're about to learn could be the beginning of your transformation. Let's talk about what really sets Mitolyn apart. While most weight loss supplements rely on caffeine spikes or appetite suppressants, Mitolyn takes a holistic, cellular-level approach. It's powered by 6 clinically backed natural ingredients: maqui berry, rhodiola rosea, amla, ectuan, cacao, and schisandra. Each one was carefully selected for its ability to support mitochondrial health, and together, they create a formula that does more than help you slim down. It reactivates the core of your body's energy production system. Think of your mitochondria like the engine of your metabolism. When it's running strong, you're burning fat efficiently, your energy levels soar, and even your mood improves. But when your mitochondria slow down, so does everything else. That's why Mitolyn isn't just a supplement. It's a reset button for your entire system. Now let's get into how easy it is to use Mitolyn. No crazy diet restrictions, no intense workouts required. Just 1 capsule a day, taken consistently, and your body starts to absorb the powerful blend of nutrients. Most users start feeling the difference in their energy within the first week. Over time, the real magic happens. Your metabolism kicks into high gear. Your body begins to shed fat naturally, and you feel mentally sharper and physically lighter. For best results, it's recommended to use Mitolyn for at least 90 to 180 days. Why? Because your body needs time to heal, adjust, and fully benefit from this powerful mitochondrial support. It's not about rushing, it's about real, sustainable change. And yes, the results are worth it. Hundreds of people have already turned their lives around with Mitolyn, and you could be next. Still unsure? Here's something that gives you total peace of mind. Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. That's right, 3 whole months to try it risk-free. If you don't feel the changes, if it's not what you expected, you get your money back. No complicated process, no hard questions. Just head over to their official website, the link is in the description below, and request your refund. It's that simple. But here's the thing. Most users don't ever need to use that guarantee, because Mitolyn delivers. Whether it's helping people lose stubborn fat, increase their energy, or simply feel good in their own skin again, the results are real and life-changing. So if you've been waiting for the right moment, the right product, the right reason to finally commit to your health, this is it. Hit that link, read the reviews, get to know Mitolyn, and take the first step toward becoming the best version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.